Using a charcoal grill is hands down the best way to grill food. But before you get started, there's just a few things that you should know, and I'm going to cover those right here in this video. Guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Ryan Smith, and if this is your first time here, subscribe and click the little bell so that you get notifications each time I upload new content. If you're looking to get into using a charcoal grill, you're going to be glad that you did. A lot of people brush off using charcoal because they think there's too much work to it, and sure, there's a little bit more effort and time involved, but it's definitely worth it. Something that you may or may not already know is just how versatile that a charcoal grill actually is. This one is a Weber kettle, which is awesome, by the way, but the things that I'm going to talk to you about are going to work for just about any charcoal grill out there. Not only can you use this to grill food, but you can also smoke food with it. As a matter of fact, I own an offset smoker, but 9 times out of 10, I find myself using this Weber kettle to do barbecue. I love the convenience of it. With the stick burner, I have to spend a lot of time tending to the fire, and although I do enjoy that some days, other days I just don't have the time for it. I need something that'll keep a consistent temperature for hours without having to babysit it so much, and that's where a charcoal grill comes in handy. I can set this Weber up for smoking and it'll go for hours. As a matter of fact, I've got a couple videos that I'll link to that'll show you how to set your grill up for smoking. Another thing that I really love about using charcoal is the wide range of temperatures that you can achieve. If I want to smoke a rack of ribs, I can cook at 225 all day on this thing. But if I want to get the temperature up, get it super hot, I can get this grill up to 500 to 700 degrees, and that's pretty hot. And by using the vents along with different zones with the charcoal, I can cook anywhere in between those temperatures. And that also leads to another thing. There's so many options for setting this up with different zones. Direct cooking, indirect cooking, as I've already mentioned, smoking. You can set it up with a ring around the outside and put the food in the center. Or you can even put the food around the outside and put just a pile of charcoal in the center. It just gives you a lot of options when it comes to actual cooking styles and cooking methods. So by using a charcoal grill, you can do a variety of cooking styles, everything from barbecue all the way up to making a pizza on the grill. And while these other things that I mentioned are good, my favorite part of using charcoal to cook with is the flavor. And this comes from 2 or 3 different components. First, the smoke from the actual charcoal and the wood if you choose to smoke food or do barbecue. Secondly, as the food cooks and the drippings that come off the food hit the charcoal, the smoke that comes from that really gives it some good flavor as well. And also the sear. I told you about the high temperature range that you can achieve using one of these. You can really put a sear on meat and different types of food that I think you just really can't touch with a gas grill or any other type of grill. I know a lot of people are going to argue for gas for the sake of how easy that it is or how quick that it is, but do not let a little bit of extra effort or time that you have to put in to lighten the charcoal and getting the grill set up, don't let that push you away from using charcoal, because you'll really miss out on some good food and some good grilling. And if you're just getting started using a charcoal grill or even thinking about getting into it, I've got some other videos that I'm going to link to. The links will be down in the description of this video. One of them is called A Beginner's Guide to Using a Charcoal Grill. That one is great if you're a complete beginner, never used a charcoal grill before, or even somebody that's been using one for a while or haven't used one in a while and just need a little refresher. I'm also going to link to some videos that'll teach you how to set up a grill for smoking so that you can get into barbecue and doing some low and slow cooking. I want to know also if you've got any questions. If you'd leave those in the comments, I'll try my best to get in there and answer those as quickly as possible, or maybe somebody else will see them and be able to give you some tips or an answer to your question. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I try to put out some video content each week, or as much as I possibly can. Do a lot of grilling, barbecue, cooking. I'll be doing some catch, clean, and cook videos throughout this year, and maybe some more. We'll see.
Hey guys, I'm Shauna Smith. I'm Ryan's better half, as I like to call myself. Just wanted to hop on here and tell you to check out that description box, that there's some videos on there. Make sure that you have subscribed and you have that notification bell turned on. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave us some love and support in the comments. Just want to thank you all for all the love, support, and prayers, and may God bless you and your family. Bye.